Now is the placement of dimensions. Let us see the practices. This is the poor practice, that one dimension line is crossing or interfering with the other one. Rather, it can cross the extension line. And the other one is that the extension line is going to the other side, while it should have been on this side, on the open side. It should not go across the component itself, because it will be interfering with too many other features over the component. So you can see it is not crossing this. It is the right practice. Then in this case you can see this dimension line has been broken here, so this can confuse someone. So it should be a solid line or continuous line. Then in this case the extension lines are missing here, so we have to basically put it a bit outside like this, and extension line should go something like this. Here as well extension line should be shown, and once the extension line has gone up to this point, we can bring this outside so that inside is clean. But you can get this as well, and you have to accommodate with this. Now this, as you can see, this edge is hidden. Basically it is this edge, and they are depicting the dimension here, which is the wrong practice. Rather it should be depicted here itself, where the edge is visible. Then you can see they have placed it inside the component, and one should try to bring it outside, but there are some cases in which we have to resort to to keeping it inside. So you have to accommodate with this, and you have to adapt it, and you have to read this perfectly. In this case as well, when the dimensions were, the extension line was too far away, so we can avoid and keep it just inside. Then is this here, instead of the place where just a line is available, we should go for where the whole edge is available. We can see the wall, and we should provide the dimension here. Here also the center is available here and not here, so instead of going here, we should go for this one. We should choose for this center itself and then show the dimension. But this can also be found in the drawings, and you have to adapt with this. Then is this one, that one dimension line is here, other one here, other one here, so they have to be placed in same line. And here also this one is here, this one is here, so we have to bring it back over this, so they are basically overlapping each other, and it means that there's one dimension here, this one, and the other one here, and this in itself is also a dimension. Then is this, in this case they are giving dimension over here. Rather we should give the dimension right here. Instead of giving it here, we should give it from the more clear and vivid views.